Bharat marked a significant milestone in its space exploration journey, the successful launch of its first reusable hybrid rocket, Romi-1. The space sector has catalyzed the development of a robust industrial base in India that numerous private companies emerging to supply components and services for space missions. Namaskar friends, myself Deepak Kumar Rath. I welcome you all to the digital media of Uday India. And today in Bhartiyata ka Sankanat, every time when I speak in Bhartiyata ka Sankanat, I always try to raise the issues concerned with Bharat, Bhartiyata, issues that make proud for every Indian. Patriotism, nationalism, all these issues I try to raise through Bhartiyata ka Sankanat. Friends, you all know that Bharat marked a significant milestone in its space exploration journey with the successful launch of its first reusable hybrid rocket, Romi-1, from Tiruvadhai in Chennai, developed by Tamil Nadu-based startup Space Zone India in collaboration with Martin Group. This pioneering rocket carried 3 CubeSats and 50 picosatellites into a suborbital trajectory using a mobile launcher. The launch represents not only a leap forward in India's space capabilities but also a testament to the growing dynamism and innovation with the country's private space sector. The success of Romi-1 is the emblematic of the broader impact that ISRO's achievements have had on India's space ecosystem. Over the past few decades, ISRO has established itself as a global leader in space exploration with missions like Chandrayaan, Mangalyaan and recent Chandrayaan-3 lunar mission bringing international acclaim. And these successes have positioned India as a reliable and cost-effective partner in space exploration, attracting both government and private sector interest in the development of space technologies. Friends, the ripple effect of ISRO's accomplishments is evident in the flourishing private space industry in India. Startups like Space Zone India are emerging as key players driving innovation and contributing to the country's space ambitions. The development of reusable hybrid rockets like Romi-1 showcases the potential for India to not only keep pace with global advancements in space technology but also to lead in certain areas. The reusable nature of Romi-1, for instance, is a significant advancement promising to reduce the cost of space missions and making space exploration more accessible and more sustainable. I must tell you that the growing market for space exploration in India is not just about technological advancements. It also holds considerable economic potential. The space sector in India is poised to become a major contributor to the national economy with opportunities ranging from satellite launches and space tourism to development of space-based services. The successful launch of Romi-1, which has payload of Cube and Pico satellites, highlights the potential for India to tap into the expanding global market for small satellites. And these satellites are increasingly in demand for applications such as Earth observation, telecommunications and scientific research. Moreover, The success of India's space sector is helping to stimulate the broader economy. The space industry supports a wide range of ancillary industries including manufacturing, software development and data analysis. As private companies and startups continue to innovate, they create high value jobs and contribute to the development of a skilled workforce. This not only boosts employment but also enhances the overall competitiveness of Indian economy. And furthermore, the growing interest in space exploration is fostering a culture of innovation and entrepreneurship in India. As more startups enter the space sector, they bring with them new ideas and approaches, challenging traditional ways of thinking and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. This dynamic environment is attracting investment and talent both domestically and abroad, further strengthening India's position in the global space industry. A recent report titled Socio-Economic Impact Analysis of Indian Space Program that was released on 23rd August 2024 during National Space Day celebrations offers a comprehensive look at the far-reaching economic benefits of India's space sector. Conducted by Econ1 and Euroconsult and commissioned by Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, the study reveals that for every dollar invested in space activities, an additional $2.54 is generated for the national economy. This statistic underscores the significant multiplier effect of the space sector on India's broader economic landscape. And this multiplier effect arises from the space sector's ability to stimulate growth across various industries. The innovations developed for space missions often find applications in other sectors such as telecommunications, healthcare, agriculture and manufacturing, enhancing productivity and driving economic growth. Additionally, also the sector creates high value jobs in science, technology, engineering and mathematics, while also fostering a skilled workforce that contributes to the overall economy. Moreover, the space sector has catalyzed the development of a robust industrial base in India, that numerous private companies emerging to supply components and services for space missions, and this growth has led to the establishment of a thriving space ecosystem, further contributing to industrial output and economic diversification. The global competitiveness of India's space industry, marked by ISRO's reputation for delivering cost-effective and reliable space missions, has also attracted foreign revenue and enhanced India's standing on the world stage. Friends, beyond economic gains, the socio-economic benefits of the space sector are profound. Space-based technologies has revolutionized agriculture in India by providing farmers with real-time data on weather conditions, soil moisture levels and crop health, leading to increased productivity and reduces losses. And in disaster management, satellite-based monitoring systems have improved India's ability to respond to natural disasters, saving more lives and minimizing economic damage. If we look at education sector, in fact, education and healthcare sector, the space sector has expanded access to essential services in remote areas. Friends, satellite communication technologies have enabled telemedicine services, bringing healthcare to underserved regions, While satellite-based educational programs have reduced disparities and fostered social development. And in conclusion, I can say the successful launch of Rumi-1 marks a significant achievement for India's space sector and highlights the growing role of private players in the field. The continued success of ISRO and emergence of innovative startups like Space Zone India are helping to create a vibrant space ecosystem in Bharat. This ecosystem is not only driving technological advancements but also contributing to the growth of the Indian economy, positioning Bharat as a key player in global space industry. As you know that Bharat continues to explore new frontiers in space, the benefits of these efforts are likely to felt across the nation, fostering economic growth and enhancing the country's global standing. Now you can understand how this India's journey in the space sector. This is a proud moment for our nation, for Bharat, for Bharat Mata, and for all Bharatiyas. As I told you in the beginning that in Bharatiyata Ka Sankhanath, we always highlight the growth stories, the positive stories of Bharat and Bharatiyas. Stay tuned with Uday India and subscribe to Uday India. Bande Mataram.